Hey guys, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to untangle a necklace. But before we get started, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. All right, so if you are watching this video, clearly you have a necklace that you need to untangle, and I'm going to be going over 5 different ways to help you untangle that necklace. Tip number 1, powder that knot. And you're probably saying to yourself, what the heck is powder that knot? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some baby powder, grab your necklace, get a little paper towel, put the paper towel down, then you're gonna put that jewelry that has that knot in it, put your chain down on the paper towel, and you're gonna take baby powder, that's right, baby powder. It's a little messy, that's why I told you to get that little paper towel. You're gonna put the baby powder over that knot, and then you are going to take your fingers, and I always use a little needle or safety pin to help me get a knot out. It helps the process go a little quicker. So you're gonna take your safety pin or your needle with that powder, and you're gonna just work that needle into the powder. The powder is going to release some of that tension of the knot, and it's gonna create a little bit of space for you to get that needle in there to get the perfect maneuver, just to open it up a little bit, because all you need is to open that knot and release that tension a little to get your knot untangled. So powder that knot is trick number 1. For trick number 2, you're gonna oil that knot down. Oh yes, sounds kind of sexy. You're gonna take a paper towel, you're gonna lay your chain with the knot on top of the paper towel, and then you're gonna just drip a few drips of oil onto that knot on your paper towel, and then you're gonna just take your fingers and massage that knot. And just like with trick 1, I personally love to use a little safety pin and a needle, get in there, and that oil should soften that knot enough for you to get that needle in there to create that space to open your knot. But if that doesn't work, don't worry, I have 3 more tricks for you. Trick number 3 literally made me LOL. So you're gonna spray some Windex on that knot, and no, I did not get that from my big fat Greek wedding, but it is true, it works. So what you're gonna actually do, this one is kind of like a fun one. You're gonna take a Tupperware, put your necklace that has the knot in the Tupperware. You're gonna spray that with some Windex, and then this is the crazy part. You're gonna take your Tupperware, bring it to your washer and dryer, so bring it to your laundry room or bring it wherever you do your laundry, and you're gonna put that Tupperware on top of your washing machine. And once that washing machine gets going, you're gonna see that Tupperware is gonna vibrate, and that vibration mixed with the Windex should release the knot and release some of that tension and leave a little bit of that space for you to get in there and take that knot out. So Windex it for trick number 3. Trick number 4, we've already talked about, but this is working the needle, which is seriously the key to getting a knot out. So if you just do it with your fingers, you're not gonna get in there into that really, really tight knot, depending how thin and delicate the chain is. But the thinner the chain, the harder it is to get the knot out. So definitely always use little needles or safety pins, and be careful obviously while you're using them, but it's going to help you tremendously. And tip number 5, if all else fails, you've tried to powder the knot, oil the knot, Windex the knot, needle the knot, and nothing works, don't worry, take your necklace to a jeweler. This is not a cop-out, this is not the easy way out. If you've cursed enough and thrown your necklace, but you love it and you really want to get that knot out, just bring it to a jeweler, guys. They'll be able to get it out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos, make sure you check out the links in the description below and help support the channel. If you want to check out some of my jewelry, I'm going to link all of my handmade jewelry in the comments below. And if you want to keep learning about all things fashion, jewelry, LaCkore Couture, make sure you watch one of those videos up top, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.